Chum Reab. Hello. Today I am visiting at Wat Phnom. It is the historical site. We are climbing up on the main stairway leading to the pagoda. Wat Phnom Mountain Pagoda is a Buddhist temple, Wat in Daun Penh Phnom Penh. It is a pagoda that symbolizes the name of Phnom Penh, and a historical site that is part of the Khmer national identity. Wat Phnom has a total height of 27 meters. The pagoda is named after Lady Penh, from the story of the discovery of the 5 statues, 4 Buddha statues and 1 Vishnu statue. If you are visiting in Phnom Penh, it is the place must to visit, and you can spend about an hour to walk up and down the hill. The ticket for a non-local tourist is $1. We are almost on top of the hill. Please climb up with us. We arrived at the main pagoda, and this is we are looking to the front of Wat Phnom. It is very nice view. We are going the inside of the pagoda. Please join with us. Now we are inside the pagoda, and you can see a large bronze-seated Buddha surrounded by other statues, flowers, candles, and items of devotion and worship. The walls are covered with murals, especially of Jataka stories of the Buddha's earlier reincarnations before his attainment of enlightenment. It is a tip for non-local visitor. When you are in the pagoda area, please take your shoes and hat off before you walk inside the pagoda or temple. It is the respectful for the Buddha and Buddhism religion. Please move on to see the biggest King Ponheayat stupa at the top of Wat Phnom. According to legend, King Ponheayat, also known as Barom Reachea I, was king of Cambodia and reigned at Tuol Basan, Shrey Santhor, for 9 years. At the time, there was severe flooding in that area, during which the capital was flooded deep in 1396 AD. When the water receded that year, he ordered Chow Ponhea Decho, the governor of Samrong Tong province, to build a new palace in Rusikeo village in the area of Wat Phnom today. After completing the construction of his palace and city, he named the city Chaktamuk Sakal, Kampuchea Thibde Udia Mohanakor, in 1416 AD. His reign at Chaktamuk begun the Chaktamuk period of the Kingdom of Kampuchea in 1431 AD. After his death, a large stupa was built for him at the top of Wat Phnom. Now we are going down to see the statue of King Sisowath. The statue of King Sisowath is located on the southern foothill of Wat Phnom Daun Penh in Phnom Penh. In front is the famous giant clock of Phnom Penh. This is the statue of King Sisowath. Sisowath was a king of Cambodia from 1904 to 1927. He was born in 1840 with the name Ang Sar. He passed away in 1927. Besides, Wat Phnom is also known for its giant clock with almost 20 meters wide. The newly one was a gift from China in the year 2000 and replaced a previous one that came from France and was installed in the early 1960s. The clock stands in southern direction of the park known as the front of a monument. It was gifted to commemorate the return of the western provinces of Battambang, Siem Reap, and Banteay Meanchey from Thailand, who controlled them until 1907. I have mentioned in the early video, visitors can spend about 1 hour to walk around the park, climb up the temple area, and freely explore the entire place. There are some park benches around the hill where visitors can relax while enjoying its greeneries. I hope one day you will visit in Cambodia, and please do not forget to explore in this place. We appreciate your watching this video until the end. Chum Reab Leah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.